Hi guys, I just want to show you here this evening how crazy the hummingbirds are. Let's see, I don't want to disturb them. We have 3 hummingbirds feeder. Oh, look at this one there. I think this is the coolest one here because they're in the corner and they come from all over the places. They're very happy. They got fresh food. What do you think, guys? Where? Hope you guys like it. They're not afraid of us, actually. They're just flying between us like crazy. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Look at that.